The Three Friends. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, three friends, a dove, a mouse, and a deer, lived happily together. They cared for and helped each other whenever needed. One day, a hunter came into the forest. He set a trap and caught the dove. The dove struggled to escape, but it was trapped. Seeing this, the mouse quickly ran to help. It nibbled at the net with its sharp teeth until the dove was free. The dove was very grateful to the mouse. Later, the hunter set another trap and caught the deer. The deer called for help. The dove and the mouse rushed to rescue their friend. The dove distracted the hunter by flying around him, while the mouse once again used its teeth to cut the net. The deer escaped just in time. The three friends were happy and safe. They realized that true friends always help each other in times of trouble. Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.